Target filled.
I'm not a financial advisor.
Good morning. May 27, Monday, Memorial Day on the US. Probably not a lot of movement in the market. So let's just take a pick on what we got. Might be a day if anybody jumps on the chat, we'll just look to another stuff, because we're probably not going to find I don't see finding a good trade today. Probably not enough, not a lot of liquidity, so it's going to be hard to trade, hard to get in and get out of the trades. Check audio. Anybody in the chat can tell me that the audio is good. I figured somebody posted on the older video that the mic wasn't good, but I figured that the mic was flipped. I was speaking on the wrong side of the mic, so I think actually now it should be pretty good right now. I think it should be now actually. It might even be a little loud. I might need to put it down a little. Let me see how, yeah, I think I can probably just put a little lower like that. Alright, got it on here on my phone to see if the volume is good. I think it's way better now. It sounds better to me. Anybody there, let me know. Market is, so we don't have an opening today, or is the US open, but we're gonna assume that if anything happens around the 9:30, 10 o'clock will happen. Make sure we got our areas of interest marked on the chart. If any area of interest today. High of the last day, the prior day, which is Friday. The low and the opening Sunday. (6 p.m.) This is a golden pocket from this move. Is that right? Nope. It's from this move. And that's the 50% right there. And this is a golden pocket from this big down move. It's a tight range. I think if any trades, I think if anything happens, it's gonna have to be in between the inside of that range. Selling the tops, buying the bottoms. I don't think we're gonna have anything bigger opportunity than that. And it's pretty slow move. gonna be a very boring day.
Stop filled.
Economic calendar, we just had some news on Europe that kind of moved the market a little bit, because it's probably most of the traders today are trading futures, or traders from the Europe area, UK. Good morning. Hey, welcome to the stream, Cappy. How's everything? Let's see if we can get something here. It's hard because we don't even, it's pretty tough to get an area to get started on where to trade. I would have liked to maybe sell the top. We're right in somewhere in the middle now. Pretty tough. Moving averages are just crossing overs all over the place. -15-minute, yeah, we only have this. If we break out of this range and then maybe we get a direction today, but besides that, the market closes at noon, so we only have a few hours to trade anyway. Maybe we'll look at the 1 minute. Too much, a lot of spikes on 1 minute. I don't like the 1 minute. If anybody has any tickers, put it on the chat and I'll look at it. We don't need stay looking at NASDAQ if we don't have any trades going. We can look at some crypto and stuff. Look at that Bitcoin. Bitcoin is probably not going to move much today also as well. Daily 4 hour. It's having a nice 4 hour engulfing. Moving the markets back up. Not much going on. Not much going on. Guys, I know it's boring, but Hockey Balboa to subscribe and like help a little bit. Okay. Is German moving? It's gonna be a pretty slow day. Spread too big on a Dow Jones. Spread huge on S&P. NASDAQ got a spread. They all got spreads out bigger now. It's not even worth it to get a trade. Be right back. All right. still just watching. There's not much to do. It's very sideways today, so it's going to be pretty tough to find a trade. If anybody wants to just look it on another charts, just put it on the chat and then I'll look at it. And Nasdaq, it's going to be hard. It's playing inside of this. I got this on a 15-minute. Got this range mark, but it's already it's a big range anyway. Go to the 2-minute. We got another range. So it's even harder to probably going to be even harder to find a trade on that. Guys, make sure to Hockey Balboa to subscribe and the like button. Help me out, grow the channel. Anybody got any tickers? Put it on the chat and we're going to look at it. Okay. It would have been nice to have a trade on Nasdaq, but I don't think Nasdaq it's going to do anything. It's a little big spread. It's moving a little bit. 9:30. It's supposedly to be the opening right now, so it's probably going to move a little bit. Maybe it picks a side and then let's see. Anybody did any trades today? I did some trades yesterday on the opening last night. Hadn't done anything today still. Oh, look at that. What, we got any news? Anything happen? I think we got a news on the Europe. Just happened 9:30. German. That's moving, making this move. All right, let's see if that move. So we're gonna take this small range out. So we broke the 15-minute range. Let's see if we get a pullback, hold. If we get a pullback and you hold like this area, we might get a continuation. Let's see. Just got to remember that the market's going to close at futures market's going to close at noon, so don't expect too much. You're just gonna moon. Let's look at it. It's pretty strong upwards move now. Let's look at a 1 hour. Let's get a picture on a higher time frame to see. It's a pretty strong 1 hour candle, breaking everything, following, I guess, getting this continuation, right? We can put, let me get my little tool here. We can, looks like we can get a little channel, and that makes a little flag. So we got this pole just from here, and that would get, if that projection goes, that's a pretty, actually you got to go from the low of the channel. So maybe he wants to look for the highs, which is the all-time high. That could be an option right there. But I need a pullback. This is already too big of a move to jump in. And it keeps moving. Get us a pullback, then we might be able to enter. Too far from the moving averages. If we get a pin bar, maybe it could be a sell with a short stop. But we need something. I'm surprised with this move. I didn't thought Will was going to have any move like that. So I guess we'll just wait for it to see if we get a pullback and then a continuation on the upwards trend, or if the price just going to go and look for the all-time high or the prior Friday's high. It's just leaving fair value gaps everywhere. So small one over here. So it's too extended. It's gonna leave another one here now on the 2 seconds. I'm gonna get another opening. Look at that, that's too crazy to jump in. There's too many fair value gaps. Too many areas that are just missing. It wouldn't surprise me if it just peel back on and come back to here. See if we get a little pin bar here. Maybe I'll it's a 15 pip stop, 15 ticks, 14, 15 ticks. But then we need a nice pin bar. We'll put 3 micros. If that, let's wait the close on that one and see. It's too extended. I would expect to come back a little, so I might go counter trend. See, it's the 1 minute. Let's try 3. Let's go 3 in there.
Order filled.
Stop. Definitely it's gonna go at the high here. If he moves back, we'll get out. Final target all the way down. We'll make partials as he go. Let's see if that holds in there. It wouldn't surprise me if it just takes me out. That was a risky trade anyway. See? It just took us out.
Stop filled.
Probably try one more time. Still think that was just the liquidity. Hi, let me see what's that gonna do now. See if we get that high, higher, lower. Wait that candle to close. $30 seconds. Yeah, I don't like that, so I gotta wait a little. It would need to be on the keel of this. How big is the stop? Same as that we entered before.
Order submitted.
It would be, all right, we're gonna try one more time. Stop, it's gonna go. Stop's gonna go at the high again. I'm gonna look for the 21. This is the last time we're gonna go counter trend. Put the stop just a little high just because of the spread, but let's see. Partials right there in place in the final. But not much happening. That's the problem of the trades today, will be not having liquidity.
Order submitted.
All right, you almost got our first target. Let's see if you get one little more spike. Can he catch that? Remove the stop, the break even. If we get a small push, because of the spread, I'm just gonna do, no, it's gonna go. There we go. We need a little more because of the spread so we can catch that.
Order canceled.
Target one, we'll put the break even.
Order filled.
Gonna do break even. Now we're gonna see if we catch the target two. And we'll leave the third one down there. Looks like the trade will work out. At least, I mean, we can't lose it now. We're on a break even and we did a partial. So anybody got it? Anybody jumped in on that one too? All right, it's gonna get our second partial. The spread is what it's killing a little bit. I'm gonna kill that. And I'm gonna do market to respect the spread. So target two filled. Even maybe we just did it. We was gonna do it anyway, but I wanted to kill it.
Order canceled.
Right. So 2 partials. I don't need to be. It don't needs to be a nice trade. It needs to be lucrative. So you don't want to let money on the table if let's say if the price barely gets your target. I usually just I picked up. I do manually because I don't want to miss that. If it don't touch it and then it comes back and take you out, and it's just gonna eat your money. I'm gonna do this last one. I'm gonna do on the middle of that. So we ate this fair value gap. He ate this one. We got this one. So I'm gonna do, here's what I'm gonna do on that. Fair value gap. That would be a bull. So I'm gonna put that right in the middle of that fair value gap. And then stop it at the break even. Then we'll just let this, see if this is gonna play. Now we just watch on that. So the reason of the trade, I'm gonna explain it a little, was very extended move, too far from the moving averages, and then I have a high, a higher, and a lower. So 1, 2, 3. When he breaks the low of the third, then you can enter a stop over here or a stop over here, and you look for 2 to 1 or 1.5, or you do partials like I like to do it. So I saw a lot of fair value gaps missed, so I did partial. I think was lower than here. I think it was like somewhere around here. Partial there, then we did a partial here, and now we got this final target. Breaking this, we can start moving the stop if we want to break even to profit. Maybe put the stop over here. You can. Or you can tight very, you can trail very tight. You can keep the stop with the stop like either here . You can do that. You can put it over here, or you can just bring it over here for now. I'm gonna still leave. I'm gonna move down a little. Right there. I want the hit. Close, very, very close. Let's see if we get a push.
Order filled.
Order filled.
Order canceled.
Nice. We still got on that, so we're gonna put the stop there just to hold. That's it. Target hit. It might go all the way to the lower side of the fair value gap, but that was a pretty nice trade, huh? Anybody did that trade as well? it was a 3-to-1 on the final target. So I did 1-to-1, 2-to-1, 3-to-1. The very safer here would be enter here, stop over here, and you still look for 1, 2. But I went a little more aggressive because you don't want to, it's not ideal to go against the 7. So it only broke it down here. But it was too extended and too many fair value gaps left. So I decided to go a little aggressive. So he ate this. Let's see if it's gonna eat fully this fair value gap now. He already got the middle. That's usually the bigger, the big amount of orders is usually in the like halfway of the fair value gap. We can put this in so you can see moving average driver. Where's the visible range profile? Yep. So you can see where you got a lot of orders. So a lot of orders on, you know, on the bottom side of the, and it was probably a lot of orders in here, but I already eat them all. But as of right now, it was this gap. This is a good, if you look at the volume profile, sometimes it's going to help you to put the targets in. I'll see that volume here. So this is the reason of entry. I didn't look at the volume profile, but that could have helped. And then enter there, target here and here and here. It probably looks like it wants to move down now. All right, let's put this. I don't think that can go. There we go, right there. Well, that trade is gone. And as of right now, did this. So trade on the SEAM account. Those three are all eval accounts. So no PAs yet on there. So I bought it 250 and 150. So this is what we got today from with yesterday trades and today. Not sure if I want to do any other trades now. The 250s I've been trading on minis, and the 50 I'll trade on the micros. Usually I go 3 to 5 contracts. I did 3 on this trades. Copy trade, I only copy trade the evals. If I get a PA account, I'm not gonna copy trade. I'm gonna do individual trades. Strong V-shaped recovery. It was expected. To me, it was expected. Because I mean, you don't have the full you don't have a move like this and just keep going. Especially on days like today. There's no volume. All right, he ate this fair value gap, so you can get this out. It went to the zero line again, where the price was. The price went all the way to the highs. This what the market just did. It went all the way to the highs, pretty much picked up liquidity. Now it's back on that same range. So maybe now it's just gonna stay inside of that range. Or continue going sideways for the rest of the day, because it's already 10 o'clock here, US. And it's gonna close at noon, so we only have 2 more hours. So probably not much is gonna happen. I'll probably stay here for another 30 minutes and then that's it, because there's not going to be a lot of liquidity now. If you're green, might as well just kill the day. Keep the green. All right, let me go grab water. All right, I'm back. I'm gonna get some water. So what's gonna happen now? What it's configuring so far is got a equal lows. Now we got a high, and a higher. So as of right now, it's an uptrend. So let's see what's gonna. I don't think we're gonna have anything else. I wouldn't expect to have any other trades. I don't see much going on. A lot of volume in here, a lot of orders sitting there. So killing this, let's go to 15. You went, here's one thing, made a lower low. So we got that. It broke the channel and now it's coming back strong. Usually when that happens, flies down. Especially if you see that all of these gap. If it breaks this, then it's gonna look for that, because you got gaps all over. Can do that. Could be a trade right there. But very risky. little risky. I don't know if I would have do a trade here. Gonna be an entry, top, target, little more than 1-to-1, maybe 1.5. This is the bottom of the range. You got to understand too that we just did that. I think we done for today. End up that the price just went, move it up, came back inside of the range again. Now it's just gonna consolidate here, looks like, and then the market's gonna close. So that'll be done. Not sure if I'm gonna be able to stream tomorrow. Got a few things to do. If I don't stream in the morning, maybe I'll stream afternoon for the market close. And today, yeah, we're not gonna have much stuff going on today, unless anybody in the chat want to look at on some other stuff, crypto or anything. I don't think the market's gonna do any bigger moves today as of right now. We already did a trade, as you can see here, the trade we did it today, that I did. So I don't know if anybody caught that. That's the trade I did. If anybody in the chat want to look at any tokens or anything, just type over that on the chat and I can look at it. I'll speak Portuguese, English, and Spanish, so feel free to type anything. All right, just put it on the chat there. All right, and make sure to Hockey Balboa to like and to subscribe, guys. Help the channel to grow. And we got links below in the descriptions for Apex. If you want to get into the prop firms, we got links below. Also, I got some wallets there if you want to donate any crypto. So the wallets are there. But otherwise, feel free to use any links that you guys feel helpful. Apex is still 90% off, so you can get a 50K account for 16 bucks. Actually, the 250K account right now, it's the same price as the 50. And if you pass and you activate the account into the 15th of June, it's 85 bucks for the lifetime. So that's why I end up picking up two 250s, because I want to see if I can just get them the PA. So links on the description below for Apex, 90% discount. If anybody in the chat has want me to look at anything, just put it in there. Anybody traded today? As you can see here, this is the trade I did today so far. I did some trades yesterday on the opening. Somewhere. I did this one here yesterday. Sold it over here. And I killed it like right here. I didn't took all of that. I think I only did this. It's pretty slow market now. Remember, if you're trading today, market is going to close at noon for the US. Not the CFD. The CFD is probably going to close at 2. If the futures are probably going to, I think it's going to close at noon and it's going to reopen at 5 or 6. So, but I'm expecting very low liquidity now. It's already 10, 20. It's going to close by 12. So not much going on. Yeah, pretty slow day. I don't think we I think whatever, if we was able to catch this move, either anybody got this up move and he got the move back, I think that was it. That was what would the day would have present to us. I think we're done for now. I just saw the trading view got a 70% off on Memorial Day. Anybody maybe looking to get a better tier on trading view, that's a good opportunity now. 70% off. All right, guys, I'm gonna end up stream here for today. I'm gonna go run some stuff. Be careful out there. Liquidity, we only have an hour and a half and it's probably not going to be much going on, so I wouldn't trade it. All right, so all good. Again, Hockey Balboa, the like and the subscribe. Make sure to share the channel with your friends, and links on the description for all of the affiliate links. And also, if you want to follow me on Instagram or Twitter, all the links for my socials are in below in the description. All right, so I'll see you guys later. I hope you guys had a good day. Short stream today, and maybe we'll do some more tomorrow or the next day. And that's all for now. Peace.